Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get super notified. So in this video I'll be walking you through a video tutorial about Kalodata in Spain. So if you are in Spain and you are looking for a way to make money using Kalodata or using TikTok shops, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually use Kalodata to find products you can actually add to your TikTok shop, and how that product is actually promising, so you'll be able to make money from your TikTok shop account. So basically this is one of the best tools for TikTok shops, analytics and insight. So before you get started on TikTok on this Kalodata, you have to subscribe or open an account on Kalodata. So for you to do that, you can use the link in the description to sign up on Kalodata, and you're gonna get 7 days free trial with no credit card required. And after that 7 days, if you actually like how Kalodata works, then you can proceed to subscribe to Kalodata in Spain. So if you are in Spain and you want to go for the Kalodata subscription, for the monthly plan you're going to be paying $46, and for the professional plan you're going to be paying $90. And if you're a business owner, you have to contact the customer support in order to get the actual price for your business. And if you want to go for the yearly plan, you're going to be paying $38.03, and for the professional $75 per month, and for the enterprise you have to still contact the support. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see the features on each of the plan you actually want to go for. If you want to go for the starter plan, these are all the benefits you're gonna be getting, and if you want to go for the professional plan, these are all the benefits that you'll be getting. And scrolling all the way down, there are some add-ons which of course you may be very much interested in. So these are customer data report, there's a recharge plan, and we have frequently asked questions which of course you may be interested in. And if none of them actually answer your question, you can also reach out to the customer support, and then you can ask your question directly. After that, all you just have to do is to explore the platform. And for you to explore the Kalodata itself, all you just have to do after signing up is click on explore at the top here. Then right here you'll be able to see trending products, competitors list, affiliate creators, hot lives, hot videos, brand strategy. So all these things actually matters. You just have to explore them one after the other. And if I scroll all the way down, these are the trending products that are trending on TikTok shops. So you can see right here, top product, this is men's plain shirt, this is women plain, then this is portable car hair freshener and for women, and this a gaming Nintendo or something like that. And if you want to see the top 10 trending products, you're gonna click on more, then you're gonna see all these products right here. So if I scroll all the way down, you're gonna see that the 10 products are actually showing right there. So these are the 10 products that are trending in TikTok shops in Spain right now. And this data is actually accurate because you can also see those creators that are actually promoting this product. So after that, you're gonna see revenue growth, you're gonna see items sold, you can see average unit price, because people are literally buying this in bulk. You can see the price right here, people are buying this in bulk. So and resell, let's say. So you can see it's just one creator right here, which means you can jump on this as fast as possible and start making money from it. This is really amazing. So you can see the revenue that this product have generated so far, and it's just one person. You can see creator, just one person. You can see when the product was launched some days ago, right? The creator conversion rate is 100%, which means people are buying this. So let's check out this video. Can you see that? Can you see that he is the only one person promoting this product? If you are chance enough, you can start promoting this product, right? So if I scroll all the way down, there's another one right here. So let's check how many creators. No, single creators, no related video found. We're gonna see explore more and see. This is another product, portable car hair freshener.
No compré esto no dura nada. Mira este, ambientador de coche inteligente. Lo puedes conseguir por menos de 10 euros. Mira, te viene con 6 botes de esencia de diferente olor. El difusor con una luz de ambiente, mira qué chula. La batería dura hasta un mes y es recargable.
Can you see that this is another product? This is another one right here. Just one creator.
Camera, but I just had to show you my favourite swimming costume while I'm here on my holidays.
Can you see that this is really amazing? So you might also want to jump on this really makes sense. So if you check on video and ads at the top right here, you're gonna see different creators that are also promoting different products that are using their own money so that they'll be able to make more money. You can see views on this particular video, 9.4 million, this one 3.9, 5.4, 4.5. all this one are rated based on the revenue they are generating. You can see this one view is much more than this one, but the revenue that this one is pulling is actually higher. That's why this video was ranked over the other. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see that round neck shirt is not here, is not listed here, right? Because the person is not promoting through ads, right? So that's why the video is not stated right here. So you can check on creators, then we can see different creators with different products, right? With different products, you can also check them out. You can see different dresses. You can see this one right here. You can see this one right here, and you can also check on shops, so you can see what products each of these shops have. You can see just one product, this revenue, item sold, just one. If you are lucky enough, you can jump on this as fast as possible. I mean, like as fast as possible. You're gonna make a lot of money from that. So this is how you can start using Kalodata in Spain to make more money from your TikTok shops. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to reply to your request. Thank you.